Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, today we start with ADA. I also just released for silver and gold members a 22 altcoin express update video because a lot of changes happening currently here in the crypto space. So I do these channel member updates. So if you're interested in getting even more updates and also express updates, which are just like 1 minute long or something, then take a look at the channel membership if you're interested. So overall, we are now moving higher. Yeah, we talked about that. We are carefully bullish on ADA and this is now playing out. I mentioned to you that a breakout above this 55 cent level will probably lead to quite a significant move to the upside. In the first instance to 59 cents, yeah, for the wave 3 here. We reached that on the signals channel for channel members. I gave a target of 59.7 cents yesterday. We reached 59.5. Yeah, so I think that was pretty close and counts as target reached. Yeah, that means I'm pretty much convinced that this wave 3 is now in. So where do we come from and what can we expect now? So from the swing low down here, which was at 40.2 cents, yeah, we moved up in a wave 1. We already became bullish here at 46 cents, yeah. We then moved down in a wave 2. We then moved up in a subwave of that in another 1, 2. And we're now in the wave 3 here in yellow. That should overall end around 66 cents. Yeah, we can just double check the target for that. Again, it won't happen in just one straight line, even though this looks pretty much like that. But no, it won't end it won't be just one straight line. It's good to see ADA moving, by the way. It will move at some point anyway, you know. By the way, this here is a wave 3. I just need to change that. So for measuring the target for the yellow wave 3, we take the Fibonacci extensions. And yeah, it's 65.5 cents for the 1.618 extension. And that is the target. You know, I've been talking about that now for weeks. It's finally playing out. It was just this coiling up that took a little bit longer. So let's see if we get there. Yeah, condition to get there. Yeah, what needs to be fulfilled to hold to get there? Well, we need to stay ideally above this 55 cent level, because otherwise we will now get into the price region of the wave 1 again. That would sort of invalidate this imminent scenario. So that's the condition that needs to hold. Then we can reach in the next instance here that level again. Not in one straight line. It will be a bumpy ride. It will go up and down, but that is the direction we are going to go. Within this sort of more imminent price movement, we've been talking about this being a wave 1 impulsive, here a wave 2 to the downside. Everybody had a chance to buy here in the reversal area. Yeah, that's the reversal area I highlighted when we came down here, where we expected the reversal. We touched it, we came out of it. We then even broke the descending trend line. We moved higher. Here I issued another signal on the signals channel for gold members. A breakout here with a retest would send us higher to 59.7 cents. Happened, and now this means we have done the wave 3. We are now waiting for the wave 4. And most of these things I mentioned in the videos anyway, guys. It's just that on Telegram and Discord I can be a bit faster sometimes. So wave 4. If we are now in the wave 4, what would we expect? We would expect now a bit of a retracement, which also makes sense in terms of taking some profits, because we moved a lot, yeah, and a lot of people are probably going to take some profits. And if this is the wave 4, which I think it is, the condition is we need to stay above that 50, to be exact, 54.8 cent level above the wave 1. But to be honest, already a move below 55.9 cents in a wave 4 would be unrealistic for a wave 4. Yeah, so I would really like to stay, and it's a really long wave 3. I would really like to stay in the region between 57.8 cents, so that's the minimum it needs to do that wave 4, and the 38.2% FIB level at 56.7. That's always the ideal retracement. So let's see if we stay there, and then we can also calculate the target for the 5th wave here. So ideally we want to get into this region, at least touch the 57.8 cent level and then move higher. A best indication that wave 4 is over would be a break above the wave 3 high. Bear in mind here of this subwave structure, we are already sort of getting towards the end, okay? So we need to see if we actually reach the 66 cent level in this wave 3, or if it will only be in the next higher level wave 3, which was this one. So either way we should get there. As I said, it will be a bumpy ride though. And yeah, then the wave 5 should take us higher. We can also calculate the target for the wave 5. There would be, yeah, 2.618. Okay, so that would take us to 64 cents. So somewhere between, there's different ways of measuring the target. So one way is calculating the 2.618. That's the textbook target for the wave 5 here in pink. And we can also just directly measure the wave 3 target in yellow. And that would send us to the 1.618 extension. And that would be here at 65.5. So somewhere here, yeah, between, let's say, 64 to, and we can even go higher, 69 cents, I would say the 200% extension, we should reach here this wave 3 and the wave 5 in an ideal case. Strictly, the wave 5 only needs to go above the wave 3. That's it. It doesn't even need to push much higher. But if this is supposed to be something bullish, then ideally it should. And let's see if we get there. I guess over the weekend or even next week we will know more. But this, at the moment, I would expect in this scenario only a shallow retracement. So I'm really happy ADA is moving. Yeah, it's following in my bullish wave count. A lot of negative comments again. Just me talking about ADA being carefully bullish. It's playing out again. Because people just can't see it. In a bear market, everybody's bearish, but that's the thing. The Elliott waves allow us to calculate a reversal better than any other method. Yeah, that is why I could tell you in November that we are going to come into these price regions for a lot of altcoins, for most altcoins, actually all altcoins. For some, I wasn't even bearish enough. Now we can become carefully bullish, Of course, not guaranteed. That's why I only give it a 60% probability. But this chart so far is bullish. It's playing out. It's a bit too early to really be super confident in it. Yeah, I have to say that as well. It's a bit too early. I can't tell you here with full confidence the low is in, but there is just no absolute certainty in these markets. And anybody who wants more confidence needs to wait for this overall wave structure to play out in yellow, get the 5 waves done, and then wait for the ABC correction down in a larger wave 2. And that is really the confirmation that anybody who's more conservative wants to wait for. All right, and that's my update about ADA. Great day for ADA holders. Probably good to see your portfolio getting into the green, hopefully. And yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.